Let me explain the general process of this equipment. In our setup here, this is a tower, and above the tower is a tower section, which is filled with C-shaped ring iron material inside. Inside, there is a temperature sensor for measuring the temperature of the secondary liquid. And outside here, there is also a sensor. This one is for the outside. This is the temperature control for the heating jacket. After the vapor rises, it enters our crawling condenser. Once the condenser cools the vapor into liquid, it comes over here. After the cooled liquid comes over, it passes through our reflux controller. This controller manages both the collection and the reflux simultaneously. One line for reflux, one line for collection. The collected liquid then goes into 6 hydrogen-oxygen tanks. I can use these automatic pneumatic valves to select which tank to fill, depending on my needs. However, during the identification process, if it's in the vacuum chamber, all of these vacuum extraction pipelines need to be opened to ensure that the system remains under negative pressure. So when I switch tanks in the future, let's say this tank is full, I will close off the feed pipeline to this tank and open the pipeline to the next one. After closing off this valve, I open the other one. This is the main process flow. That vacuum pump, so this is the vacuum outlet. After the vacuum comes out, it goes up here. This is one part of the system. It is also a pressure sensor, and it is interlocked with that pump. This pump forming an interlocked control system. After the pressure rises, it passes through a vacuum buffer tank. At the vacuum buffer tank, there is an automatic valve. When extracting vacuum, you must open this automatic valve. Then it comes out here at this outlet. This is the exhaust port. Here, this main part is connected to the system, and the system is connected to the tanning condenser, providing an overall connection. The overall function is to provide vacuum support, vacuum leverage. Each one also has this, which is the vent port. Near the pressure gauge, there is a vent port. The vent port, together with the auxiliary tower vent and the overhead vent, all combine and enter into this system. The main vent pipeline, and the outlet of the vacuum pump are connected together. They are discharged to a single exhaust point. For this point, you just need to make sure it vents outside the building.